A very good morning to my dear students. Today we will be covering the next chapter, number system. In this chapter we will be studying about the numbers and the various explanation of the number system and what is its importance in the computer language and how can we convert the decimal number into binary or vice versa. Students, first we will be discussing about what is number system. A number system, it is a form of writing which is used to express numbers, which is known as the number system. In this we will be using mathematical notation to represent number or a given set of numbers by using digits or other symbols. This number system provides a unique representation to every number. First we will be understand what is the need of number system. Need of number system, people nowadays use number system in their daily life, like to calculate or count the number of people in a village or stars in a galaxy, or we need a definite number system. In earlier times, early man used to define their numbers by drew the lines on sand or on walls or on stones. For example, when they wanted to come one, they would mark a line like 1, and for in a simple way they would like to, if they want to count 5, they would make 5 single lines in this way. And after that Roman numerals were developed like this, 1, 2 and 3. In this way, in our life number system plays a very important role in students' life. In this chapter we will be discussing about the number system through the following ways. First is the decimal number system, second is the binary, third is octal, and this is hexadecimal. This decimal number system, it is the number system which is known as Hindu-Arabic number system. This number system consists of digits from 0 to 9, not 1 to 10, only from 0 to 9. So the numeric value of this number system is present by the number system known as 10. Here it is clearly written, the base value of decimal number system is 10. When you have learned to count as a child, you counted on your fingers. There are 10 is a very natural base to use. You can see, you can count from 0 to 9. You will get number 10. So the base for decimal number system will be 10. In this diagram you can see digits. Let us consider the digits. In these digits there are 6, 3, 9, 2. As we are aware of this, we will see in this diagram that this number 6 is in 4. We always start from this side, that is from the right hand side to this side, not from this side. And this is, we can find in first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Position you can see here also, it is defined. First is 1, second is 2, third is this, fourth is this. So in the similar way we will start the decimal number. As we can see, in decimal number system it consists of 10 digits. In 10 digits you can see it always starts from 0 to 9. From here we will see, in the first place we will give this number 10 0. To the second place we will give 10 1, 3 10 2, 4, 10, 3 and so on. In this way we will place the value according to the number given. Students, always remember, we always start from this side, not from this. In this 6 into 10, 10 is to power is 3, so we will write 1000. 3, 10 is to power 100, 1, 1. And always remember, whenever the power of any number is 0, it always comes with 1. Most of the time students do 10 is to power 0, so they write 0. No, whenever the power is 0, it always converted into 1, which is the reason this is here it is written 1. So we will calculate this and the number comes like this: 6 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 10 is to 1. Again I am telling you, this value has come from the value by writing 10 is to power 0. Whenever the power is 0, the value always comes in 1. Never write 0, 10 is to power 0, so the value comes out 0. No, 10 is to power 1, value comes as 10. 10 is to power 2, power is 100. But many of the students I have seen, they always write 10 is to power 3, so they write 300. No, sorry, 10 is to power 3, the most of the students write 30. No, you have to make sure 10 is to power 3, it comes 1000, and when the power is 10 is to power 4, 40 comes, means 10,000, and so on. So here it is, when the power is 10 is to 0, the value comes 1. So in this way we can easily calculate. So this is the value we get after calculating in this form, which is known as decimal number system. In my next class I will be discussing about binary number system. Hope you have understood this concept, and if you have any doubt, you can message me in my WhatsApp. Thank you.